beautiful people, you're welcome back to this channel and I'm so excited about this video. So in today's video we are going to make a carrot body butter. Okay, a carrot body butter. It's so simple and you all have to try it. Your skin needs the natural ingredients, so just stop using the chemicals and use this natural recipes for your skin. Make your skin glow, have that radiant look, and in today's video we'll be needing carrot oil and some essential oils and aloe vera. Okay, this is pure aloe vera that I extracted from my aloe vera that I have. This oil, I have a video of how I made this oil, and so please I'll leave the link in the description box. Yeah, in the description. Yeah, so please do well to watch it and then come back and then let's do it. So we need carrot oil. I made this carrot oil with shea butter. That's the base. Okay, with my previous video I used I made olive oil the base. Because I'm making a body butter, you have to get a butter like oil, like coconut oil or shea butter, that kind of oils. Okay, so that it will make it that fluffy and butter like. So yes, you need it as a base, so please watch that carrot video so that you'll be able to make this carrot oil. And then I have jojoba oil, I have almond oil, I have vitamin E, and I have tea tree oil, and I have aloe vera gel. So these are the oils that I'll be using in my butter. But first, since we have our oil, we will have to keep it in the fridge to refrigerate it and come back. So I'll come back with the refrigerated part and I'll show you how it looks like. After that, we'll start in the process. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. So this is how it looks like after being placed in the freezer for 45 minutes. And I'm going to blend it using my hand blender. You can also use a hand mixer or blender or anything that you have. So after blending it for a while, I'll just go ahead and add my aloe vera. It's a bit fresh. And then few drops of jojoba oil. I'm going to add a head full of almond oil. And I'm going to add also a head full of vitamin E oil. Okay. Yeah, so that's not it. We'll be adding few drops of tea tree oil. I don't know if you can see it. Drops of tea tree oil. Okay. drops of it. Okay, so yeah, that's the only oils I'll be using. You can add any oil that you think is best for your skin. So this would be it. I'll just transfer it into my container, and it's a butter made up of shea butter and everything. So just in case it gets so hard, you reblend it to make it soft.
So that's the final thing. I'll just transfer it into a container and store it in a cool, dry place. You can even store it in the fridge, but it hardens over time naturally. One thing that I forgot to say is that with the aloe vera gel, you can use the already processed aloe vera gel or the natural aloe vera gel. Okay, I think using the already processed aloe vera gel makes it last longer than using the fresh one. So that's it. You get an instant glow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment and share. Bye.